Hello class, this is Mrs. Edwards. We're going to talk about how to create a multiplication chart. Okay? Remember, this is step by step, and this is going to be a tool to help you when you are testing. This is a tool to use. Alright, the first thing you'll hear me using the word horizontal, and you'll hear me saying vertical. Horizontal are our rows from left to right. Vertical are up and down. Those are our columns. Okay? The first thing you do when we're creating the multiplication chart is we put an X in the top left corner. Okay? That means for times. And then from then on, we put in 0 through 12. Okay, that's horizontally. Now we're going to do vertically beneath the X, 0 through 12. And then I always go back and check because sometimes, we make some mistakes. So I make sure I didn't make any mistakes with my 0 through 12. And I double check that I didn't duplicate or skip a number. Okay? The next thing, we know that anything times 0 equals 0. So 0 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. And so forth. So this whole row, horizontally, we're filling it in with zeros. Now we go and we do it vertically. Okay, so I can look back at my chart and I say, oh, let's see. 5 times 0 equals 0. Alright? The next step we will do is we're going to do our anything times 1 we learned is the other factor. Anytime we multiply by 1, it's the other factor. So 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 times 1 equals 3. And so we see the pattern. I'm going to fill it on in all the way up to 12. Horizontally, and then we go vertically. This is to help us learn the rules, and we're also getting used to our multiplication facts, alright? Next, we go and we do our 2's. We all know how to skip count by 2, right? So that's what we do. We look, we go to our 2's row, which is the horizontal, and we have 2, 4, 6. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So let's go ahead and fill that in. 2, 4, 6, 8. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Of course, we're skip counting, but if you notice, we're just adding 2 every time, adding 2. Okay? And that's what multiplication is. It's repeated addition. Now let's do it vertically.